Welcome to this guided meditation with me, Donna McCallum, and thank you for gifting yourself with this session. Get comfortable, whatever that means for you. No effort required, just ease. Simply relax.
Gently close your eyes. Allow your top eyelids to gently rest on your bottom eyelids. And become aware of your breathing. As your eyes are gently closed, you breathe deeply in and out. I invite you to imagine that there's a beautiful, warm, white light about 3 meters or 10 feet above your head. And that beautiful, warm, white light is showering down over you. And it's permeating not only your aura and your energy body, it's also moving through your actual body, your mind, and it's penetrating into the muscles, nerves, fibers, bones, all the way into the cells. And as that beautiful, warm, golden white light streams over you, it brings the most exquisite sensation of relaxation. And feel as the warmth of the light showers out and over your head, and then down your face, your jaw, moving through into your neck, your shoulders literally dissolving with relaxation as the energy and the warm light moves through your upper arms and down your elbows and cascades into your lower arms, your forearms and your hands, and right out of the tips of your fingers. And now notice that beautiful golden white light bringing relaxation into your shoulder blades, the right hand side of your back, the left hand side of your back, and all the way down your spine. Feel it now moving down your chest, your stomach, your groin, the relaxation flowing through your body as it moves down into your thigh muscles dissolving with relaxation as it moves into your knees, your calves, your ankles, your shins, the top of your feet, the soles of your feet, and streams out into the earth. And now feel yourself really connected to this light and relaxation and energy from source, and feel how it's also grounding you and flowing into the earth. Your whole body is relaxed. And as you are relaxed, my voice goes with you. I invite you to imagine that you are standing on the timeline of your life. And you are in the current moment, the present moment. And as you look forward, you see your future and all of these future versions of yourself stretching into your future. And if you turn around and look back, you see all of the past versions of yourself. From the latest version just 10 minutes ago, to 1 day ago, 1 month ago, 1 year ago, 10 years ago, 20 years ago, 30 years ago, all the way back to the teenage version of you, the older child version of you, the young child version of you, the toddler, the baby, the infant, all the way back into your mother's womb. from where you were conceived. And I invite you to get a feel as you look back at all of these past versions of yourself, how much richness there has been in the experiences that you've had. And all of the richness, all of the insights, all of the awarenesses, all of the learning. How supported you currently are by these past versions of yourself. And now I invite you to step out of your timeline and imagine that you are magically transported 5 years into the future. You've put great money habits, money mindsets, money actions and practices into place. You have a great relationship with money. And you are spending time, energy, and effort as part of your commitment to your partner and ally, that is money, a lifelong partner. And as you stand on this point in your timeline, I invite you to imagine and feel into the incredible opportunities of things that you have or are being or are doing. And I invite you to really imagine your financially thriving life. And I invite you to imagine turning up the volume on that. Like a volume knob, you can turn up the volume on how you're feeling, the emotions that you're feeling as you're experiencing this. Turn up the volume on what you're allowing yourself to wish for. The things that you could have. The things that you would be doing. Where you would be. Who you would be with. Really imagine. And now I invite you to imagine stepping another 5 years out. 10 years' time. And you are absolutely in financial security. You're probably in financial independence. You might even be in financial freedom. And in this version of yourself, I really invite you to feel what that feels like. What are the emotions? Where do you feel it in your body? And really, again, turn up the volume and amplify the feelings of being financially thriving in 10 years' time because of the practices, the actions, the mindsets that you've put into place today. Do that now. And now, from this 10-year future self version of yourself, I invite you to imagine looking back. And I invite you to imagine seeing all of the past versions of yourself celebrating you. Celebrating you for getting great with money, for doing this, for giving yourself this gift. Notice your current self from 10 years ago celebrating. Wow. So pleased I started then. So pleased I took action then. And all the past versions celebrating. And notice how that amplifies the energy through your whole life timeline, past and future. Like a clearing out, a cleaning out, a cleansing through celebration. And holding this future possibility and potential that you are committed to having happen. And now, having filled up with that celebration energy, I invite you to imagine coming back into your current self, part of your timeline, your current self position in your timeline. And I invite you to imagine that your future self from 10 years' time turns around to give you a message. Listen closely. What does that 10 years time future self, who is in money ease and thriving and abundance, what does that future version of you have to say to you now? Listen closely. Do that now. And now, having received the wisdom and guidance from your future self, I invite you to take a big, deep breath in and a big exhale out of your mouth. Very slowly and gently, I'm going to count back from 10 until 1. And as I do, you'll feel your awareness returning back into the room, and you'll feel light and bright and energized, and you'll be ready to go out into the rest of your day with this sense of ease and thriving. 10, 9, 8, becoming slowly present. 7, 6, 5, aware of your body, aware of your breathing. 4, 3, wiggling your fingers, wiggling your toes. 2 and 1, blink your eyes together and open them. Have a big stretch up and a big yawn. Welcome back.
When you're back and present in the room, please like, subscribe, and share this meditation so that this energy can ripple out through the world. Thank you, and there'll be a new guided meditation for you next week.